What's up, evil queens? So, today we are playing Roblox, and we're gonna be playing Hotel Everflame. I used to play this game a lot. I started playing too, cause like, yeah, I started playing it, so yeah, okay. I want, okay, room 8 here. Actually, it's room 8. I'm gonna take, no, I don't want, I'm gonna take the stairs, cause I need to exercise, you know? Okay, this is room 8. So here's the bathroom. No, everyone has a bathroom, a TV outside. Like you can see the view. You know, it's only outside, which is sad. Not really sad, but anyways, here's another bedroom. And yeah, what? I have no idea what he's saying to you because I do not speak Spanish. Um. Oh wait, no, it's. I don't know. Does anyone speak Spanish here? I know Andy speaks Spanish, but. Anyone else speak Spanish here? Cause I don't speak Spanish. Pizza is my thing. Okay. I hope that I haven't played this game in a while, so is there a teddy bear somewhere around here? Yeah. No. What? You know what? I need translations. Where is Spanish? No, not. No. How do I stop? Oh wait. No, I don't like. I'm taking a Spanish class in school, but Lose me? What? Uh, boy, we were never a couple. I don't get what he's saying. Lose me. What does that even mean? I don't know. I mean, should I just unfriend him because I don't know Spanish? Okay, we're gonna move on. But yeah, this is cool. You guys see this? So yeah, I'm gonna show you the other. You know, hopefully I will die. I'm the manager, you know. I just laying by my computer. I think it was attention, but I'm busy right now recording for you guys, so. No! Finally, okay. So, I'm gonna show you guys over here. Yeah, this is a dance floor, blah blah blah. But yeah. Oh, I did not mean to go on that. Well, anyways. Do you guys use slash name Lizzie? Well, not slash Lizzie, like ain't anyone. I still have room E. Yeah, okay. Uh, 4-5. Hello, girl. Hey, what's happening here? Okay, boy, just get in already. Jesus. Dude, it looks like I'm kissing. Boy, just take this get OMG. I'm taking the stairs. I'm so bored. I don't know why you look at me like that. You know, we're gonna refresh my page. Where's my phone? My phone's over here. Oh, and it's supposed to be a video! You know what? I'm gonna finish recording mine and watch Andy's video. What? I watch Andy's videos, okay? Boy, you know what this problem? So, you get out, boy. I say boy. No, let me find out what room he has. I hate taking these stairs. Oh, come on. Pizza 6. Okay, room 6. Room 6, room 6, room 6. Okay, I gotta go up all these. It's gonna be my workout for the day, you guys, on Roblox. Okay, well, that guy left. He's like, get out! Like, it's so annoying. I hate when people. I feel sick right now, you guys. Like, my stomach hurts. Like, I'm gonna throw up. You know what? Okay, you know what? Let's not move up. Get your booty off my charger. Okay, you know, I'm gonna watch A's video in a couple minutes. Like, after. Yeah. Anyways, so. No, I did not want to sit down. Okay, I'm like super sick. Like, my stomach is hurting me. Like, you know what I mean? Okay, anyways. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Anyways. Yeah. Like, okay, if you like love Roblox, like if you guys wanna to see more Roblox videos of me, let me know. Or if you wanna see like my face, like a vlog for me, not blog. Well, yeah, vlog/blog if you want. And I would totally allow that. Totally. Okay. So yeah, shout out to this guy. I don't even know. But yeah, he looks cute-ish. All I gotta say, he looks cute-ish. Boy, he put a shirt on, I must say. That guy needs to put a shirt on, you know? You guys know what I mean? That guy needs a shirt. Like, come to me, hey. Hey, dude, I don't even know. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I see you in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye, for queens.